Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn about sales promotion. It is important to understand that sales promotions amplify marketing efforts, driving both short-term sales boosts and longer-term customer relationships. If you enjoy my educational videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our Climatech Academy channel. What is sales promotion? It refers to a variety of short-term incentives and activities that companies use to stimulate increased demand or purchases of their products or services. These promotions are typically designed to either attract new customers, reward existing customers, or boost sales during specific periods.
The two types of sales promotions are 1. Franchise building, which refers to creating loyalty and long-term activity. For example, the loyalty cards. 2. Non-franchise building is a short-term strategy where no time is given to the customers to become loyal. For example, a sale price on a product.
Some common sales promotion techniques include discounts and price reductions, coupons, and buy one, get one free, followed by the rebates and free samples. The choice of market depends on the nature of the product or service and the objectives of the promotional strategy. Sales promotion can be aimed at 3 potential markets of consumers, retailers, and sales force. What is trade promotion? Trade promotion refers to marketing activities and incentives targeted primarily at wholesalers, distributors, and retailers, rather than directly at end consumers. The primary goal of trade promotions is to encourage these trade partners to stock up on a product, give it more shelf space, promote it in-store, or support it in other ways that can lead to increased sales to the end consumers.
Types of trade promotions include trade allowances, forward buying and diverting, and vendor support programs, trade contests and incentives, and trade shows. The sales promotion trap, or promotion spiral, refers to a situation where companies become overly reliant on sales promotions to drive short-term sales, leading to a cycle where both the company and its competitors escalate the frequency and depth of their promotions. This over-reliance can erode profit margins, diminish brand value, and condition consumers to buy only during discounts, potentially reducing sales in non-promotional periods. The primary focus of push strategy is on intermediaries, such as wholesalers, distributors, and retailers, rather than the end consumers. The goal is to persuade these intermediaries to push the product onto consumers by promoting or prioritizing it over other competing products. A pull strategy in marketing refers to a promotional approach where companies aim to create demand directly from end consumers, encouraging them to seek out and pull a product into the distribution channel by expressing a purchase interest or intention. The primary focus is on cultivating demand among the target audience so that they request or demand the product from retailers, leading retailers to order more of the product from the manufacturer. Thank you for listening. Please do not forget to subscribe to Climatech Academy channel.